Douglas Shege
Ginyagia riu ekwiro aria maikitio ngono ni 11 thutha magia na guikio ngono maranyitirwo na thimo mithemba ere iria cirikanite ikoretwo ikihuthika wikinaine. Elijah Kimani, James Dirago, Douglas Shege na Okwiri Michael marakinyirwo igoti-ini thutha wa mugururio wa kuhitana na imaramari kunyitithio thinga.
Paul Ndungu Kimani wa miaka 49 aliweza kupigwa risasi na watu wasiojulikana kwenye duka lake karibu na Ndege Catholic Church. Yona tarehe 4 mwezi wa 6 2025 washukiwa walio mbele ya koti waliweza kushikwa.
Thimo kwirwa ya nishirikitie guikio ngono igoti rigiathana mahingirwo niguo mateithirie gutabania uthuthuria makiria ari hamwe na gutamburwo ni muingi.
Na simu 2 Tecno Camon and Itel zilipatikana kutoka kwa mshukiwa wa kwanza, first respondent, ambazo zinaaminika kwamba zilikuwa zimeibiwa kwa victim wa wizi wa mabavu, visa ambavyo viliripotiwa Pakawa Police Post.
And the IO is hereby directed to facilitate an expeditious investigation into the matter and to treat the respondent with the humane.
Gukire ugu igoti nireganite na ihoya ria Zakaria wa Njohi, muthuri wa Anne Wangari uria ni muhuri wa biashara wa M-Pesa na uri mwiri wake wakorirwo mugonda-ini wa Tech akienda arekererio na bodi kuria igoti rirathanira ahingirwo thikũ ingi 14.
The respondent shall be detained at Nakuru Police Station for a period not exceeding 14 days from the date hereof. The investigating officer is directed to ensure all investigations are conducted expeditiously and to respect the respondent's right to humane treatment as enshrined in Article 51, Sub-Article 1 of the Constitution. And lastly, the investigating officer must update the counsel for the respondent the progress of the investigation during the remand period and allow the council access to the respondents.
Ihoya ria Zakaria akienda heo mweke wa guthii mathiko ma mutumia wake umuthi onario nirireganitwo nario agikwirwo guthoga wira.
Yes, that's Mr.